Hello dear students, today we are going to start lesson number 12, the future tense. Though we talk about this tense in day-to-day life, we use this tense, but sometimes we make mistake in using this. So we need to identify those fields where we make certain mistakes, and today we will learn where to use and especially the definitions, and the situations and the usage of shall and will along with that exercises. So today in this class we will do all these four things. So let us come to this book, page number 78. Here it says, Raina will swim with her friend. Raina will swim with her friend. With her friends. Will swim. Another sentence, one more is there. I shall swim with Raina. I shall So these are the two sentences where we see the future tense is being used. Raina will swim and Raina, no, I shall swim. So these are the two examples of future tense. The verbs in these sentences are in the future tense. A verb that talks about an action that will take place in the future is said to be in the future tense. So remember, a verb that talks about an action that will take place in the future is said to be in the future tense. So that's the example, or that's the definition of future tense. Now situations of future tense, that means where to use the future tense. We have some situations over here. We have two things here. Simple future talks about an event that is yet to happen, will happen in the very near future, will become a regular phenomenon. So this is the first situation. So let me write for you. An event that is yet to happen, that is yet to happen, or will happen in the very near future, or will become a regular phenomenon, So this is the first situations, as I was telling you, the situations of future tense. So where to use an event that is yet to happen. So some event that is going to take place in the future or will happen in the very near future will become a regular phenomenon in the future. So not now, but in the times to come. And next situations we have the possible outcome of an action. The possible outcome of an action. The possible outcome of an action. So we expect something, we are expecting, that means something is expected in the future to take place. For example, if she is free, Raina will swim with her friend. On the other side, we'll be seeing how to make the negative sentence or interrogative sentence with the future tense. There will be a statement. From statement we have to change it into negative. Like Raina will swim with her friend. Raina will swim with her friend. So Raina, who is going to swim? Raina will swim with her friends. So when we change it into negative sentence, we say shall oblique will plus not plus the root form of the verb. So when we change it into negative, we write okay, shall oblique will plus not plus the root form of the verb. So this is how we form the negative. Let me write within the bracket, it is a negative sentence. So we will use the subject. Here it is as it is shown, Raina is the subject, will, then not, then we have the root form, okay, will not swim with her friends. So this is how we change the statement. The statement which is in the simple future, no, that sentence is changed into negative sentence. How you can see, will oblique shall, then not, then we have the root form of the verb. So this is how we change it. And we have another form, that is interrogative. How to change the sentence into interrogative? If we are changing it into interrogative, we must remember this shall oblique will, then we have the subject, then the root form of the verb. So this is how we make the interrogative sentence. So let me write will, then the subject Raina, then the root swim with her friend, question mark. Will Raina swim with her friend? So this is how we change the statement which is in the simple future. That sentence is changed once in the negative sentence, and second time we have already seen in the interrogative sentence. Now we need to remember the two things. Okay, which are those two things? The usage of shall and will. Where to use shall and will. Quite often we make mistake. Just like here you see, first person singular and plural, we use shall. So only with these two words we use shall. Another one we have like second person singular and plural, then third person singular plural, he, she, it and they. So with this we use will. So this is what you need to keep in mind. So remember, with first person singular and plural we use shall, and with that, okay, you second person and third person singular and plural we use will. These points must be kept in mind. Now we have one exercise from here. Complete the paragraph using the simple future forms of the verbs in the bracket. So what do we have to do here? Like you need to fill up the blanks or complete the paragraph using the simple future forms. Like I shall plant more trees. I shall make my planet greener. So this is how you are going to complete writing this exercise in the copy. So exercise number A, page number 79, you are going to write in the copy. Hope I have made it clear to you. If you have any kind of clarifications with this, you may ask me. Thank you so much, children.